Hi friends, here is a nice equation. 2 root x plus 2x power minus half equals 5. What is x power minus half? It becomes 1 by x power half, which means 1 by root x. Basically 2 root x plus 2 by root x equals 5. Right. This is in terms of root x. Right. So what we should do, we should ideally try to convert. We don't want root x in the denominator. Right. Ideally, we want to convert this into a quadratic equation so that it becomes easy for us. Let's see how. 2 root x plus 2 by root x equals 5. Right. Now, let's say there is root x in the numerator and there is root x in the denominator. Right. If you multiply this and this, then both will cancel. But how do you make them? How do you multiply them? Right. So what we do to avoid these two or to remove these two, let's do square of the left side. Right. If you do square of the left side, then what will happen? 4x, right? 2 square root x whole square, which is 4x plus 4 by x plus 8, right? 2 into 2 root x plus 2 by root x. 8 equals 5 square, which is 25. Now, this is pretty straightforward. We can easily convert this into regular quadratic form. Right. What does that become? X into 4x square plus 4 plus x into 8x equals 25 into x, 25x. So 8x minus 25x is minus 17x. Let's bring it to the left side. 4x square plus 4 minus 17x. Right. Minus 17x we can write it as minus 16x minus x. Right. So that the product of it minus 16 into minus 1 will become 16, which is product of 4 and 4. 16 as well as minus 16 plus minus 1 will become minus 17. So that's how we split 4x square minus 16x minus x plus 4 equals 0. We'll take 4x common, 4x times x minus 4 minus 1 times x minus 4 equals 0. 4x minus 4 into x minus 4 equals 0. X is either 1 by 4 or x is 4. This is the solution. Right, yes. Thank you. Hope you like this. There's nothing complex here. It's pretty straightforward. Just that it was given in terms of x power minus half. We just need to do a square of this and rest of it automatically follow. Thank you guys.